my black bean and roasted corn salad. Delicious, easy to make, and it lasts all day. Let's start by roasting some corn so it cools off. That way you can go ahead and cut it right off the kernel. You can make it with anything you like, but here I have some cilantro, red onions, bell peppers, any color you like, and tomatoes. Take your favorite can of beans, give it a nice little rinse and drain them, mix it in. Next, we're going to make the dressing. A 1/4 teaspoon of fresh black pepper, a 1/4 cup of Borsari olive oil. I'm going to use the original blend, 1 whole tablespoon, and that's actually going to help dilute the crystals in there, which is what you're looking for. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And I'm also going to add to this, of course, a little bit of garlic zest. It just always umps any dressing. Whisk it all together. I have some cilantro in there because the salad calls for cilantro, and just blend it in. The cooler you serve it, the better it is. If you want, you can have everything chopped up and add the dressing the next day. And this is great by itself, just like so, or with chips. Thanks for watching.